The chat feature, a smarter, faster way to edit your renders using simple text instructions. Getting started is easy. Import your input image from your generated history or upload it directly from your device. Once the image is loaded, move to the prompt section and describe the change you want to make. For example, if you don't like the wood cladding behind the bed, simply type "remove wood cladding" and click Generate. Within seconds, the update is applied seamlessly. Want to change the curtain color next? Add another prompt, change curtain's color to blue, generate again, and the result appears instantly. It feels like working with an intelligent assistant that understands your intent and applies changes almost immediately. You'll also notice the reference image option under the input section. Switch it to Add Reference to transfer elements from another image into your render. For instance, if you want to replace the bed, upload a reference image of your preferred design, add a simple prompt like "replace the bed using the provided reference image," and generate. In seconds, the new element reflects accurately in your render. Now, look near the Generate button. Here you'll find the chat history string. This records every prompt and visual update made to the image, allowing you to track your entire editing journey. Want to revisit or adjust a previous stage? Click on any chat node, add a new prompt, and generate again, without losing your earlier versions. All edits are safely stored and accessible anytime from the History panel. This is how you chat, iterate, and edit smartly with BNP AI. Faster decisions, cleaner revisions, and complete control over your final render.